While it seems we are all on a quest to reverse the aging process, it may be actually possible.
Well, our friend, the great Dr. Jason Emer, gave us one of our staffers a skin makeover.
Yeah.
Guys at home, you are not going to believe these results. And when you say aging backwards, like how far back, and is this really possible?
Is it possible?
Well, in the treatment we did this time, 7 years and 7 days. But you could do skincare and in just a couple weeks, take a couple years off. There is a lot you can do with the technologies we have now.
Okay, so you hooked up one of our staffers, Allison DeFranco here.
Yeah.
What issues did you see with her face? Let's see the before picture.
So she had a lot of sun damage. There were some fine wrinkles that were starting.
She is gonna be so mad about these pictures.
Look how cute she is with that. Oh, is this that machine that you put her in?
This was the standard photos, but we do in our office a special device that uses infrared light to be able to look on the surface and below the surface. So it shows you underlying sun damage, risk of skin cancer, enlarged pores and redness, all the things that reflect sort of aging and sun damage.
And so how old did the machine say her skin was when she came in?
Well, her initial age on the machine was 46.
Okay, Allison, we love you. I'm so sorry.
We love you, Allison. You're such a trooper, but that's not her age. Yes.
And then we sent her home doing a facial and some skincare with my Emerageskn, my new skincare line. I sent her home with the products to start using it for a couple weeks because I wanted to see how much improvement we could get by preparing her skin. In office, you could see we did a really extensive facial on her.
Yeah, what kind of facial is that?
So this is a special type of jelly mask with oxygen. It exfoliates the skin, it opens the pores, it allows the products that we use in our skincare line to penetrate into the skin more so that you get improvement right away. So if somebody doesn't want to do a laser or they want to just start skincare, start easy, they can kind of ease into the treatments and use the skincare first.
All right, and what are the essential ingredients for anybody out there that they need in their skincare products?
So I always tell people, and I formulated my line with main things like vitamin C antioxidants, retinol, which helps kind of renew collagen and turn the skin cells over. A lot of people use SPF to prevent any sun damage, and then hyaluronic acid for skin plumping. It's hydration.
That one's always the one that you can't read it.
Can't read that.
Hyaluronic acid.
I'm lucky I didn't mess it up.
So she did the products, went home, came back, and you put her back in the skin machine.
And then how old was she then?
44.
Woo! We went down 2 years off.
Okay, just with a couple of products on the face? Okay.
You know how the doctor rolls. He wanted to up the ante. So what did you do next?
So this is the newest technology of lasers. As you know, as time goes on, the technology's improved. This is a Sciton Moxi combined with a device called BBL HERO. These are lighter lasers and lights. They work to lift up the pigmentation, improve collagen production, and I have devised a special combination that nobody does. We call it the Hollywood Spotlight treatment.
Come on, Hollywood
7
Spotlight.
years and
We're
7
in.
days, and that's using the Sciton Moxi with BBL and my skincare line and my Aerify kit, which is an at-home peel kit.
That sounds good.
All right, I'm so excited at home. Are you ready for the big reveal of our
We need some
staffer?
sort of
Allison
thing.
DeFranco. First of all, let's
Drum roll.
remind, here's the before.
Okay.
Gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
But here is the finale. Turn around, Foxy.
Who is that?
Hello.
Who is that?
I am old enough to work here.
Wait, so when you first saw the results, what did you think?
I was shocked. It was amazing. I mean, immediately you just see all the freckles just come to the surface, and after a few days, you can literally wipe off the sunspots. It was crazy. And then you just see everything brighten, and the fine lines wrinkle, all the wrinkles kind of go away, and all this, like, all the areas that I was really putting on a lot of makeup, I don't have to do anymore.
Oh, snap.
You look at the difference.
Wow, okay.
Wow.
So now I have a question. And
Look at that.
And I don't mean to put you on the spot.
But do it. What do you say?
But when they put up your skin age that first time around, what did you think?
Cancel this segment.
Did you really?
No, I was like, because I'm not 46. And so I was also shocked because, you know, just to see from that Visia picture, what's underneath, because it takes what's underneath, I think. And so it's like all the brown spots that are underneath the surface and everything. And it was just shocking.
Well, the moment of truth. So all this has happened. You put her back in the age machine.
Oh, yeah.
What is her age today?
It was rated as 39.
Oh! How many years is that?
I lost the level.
You went from 46 to 39?
39.
time.
In a week?
In a week.
I ain't mad at you, girl.
7 years and 7 days.
and 7
Wow.
days.
So anybody at home watching this, what would you say to them, doctor?
I mean, look, I say it's very important to take care of your skin, not only because of how you feel about yourself, but also it decreases the rate of skin cancer.
Yeah.
You saw how much sun damage she had. We were able to lift all that up that prevents her from getting skin cancer, and it just makes her look a lot better. And you need to do both skincare plus office treatments. If you can't afford to do some of the office treatments, some of the skincare that's out there, it's a medical grade, high quality. You can get that at home now. Do peels at home and skincare with minimal downtime, minimal pain, and minimal cost.
You look incredible.
For more information and products, head over to Dr. Emer's website.
Great to see you. You're a magician.